Okay, everybody, welcome to Blockchain Chat. You know, if it's Wednesday, it is Blockchain Day officially in BBC. And want to welcome my beautiful partner in crime, Miss Talisha Shine. You want to say
Hello,
hello to
everyone.
everybody?
Hello.
And we have a special guest today joining us. So first of all, I got to give a big shout out to Anita Calloway, who has been helping us secure these guests. And these guests are coming from some of the top Blacks in blockchain. So we're fortunate to have one of them here tonight, Mr. Leroy Forbes Jr. Woo!
Oh, stop it, stop
Yeah.
it. Hi, everyone.
um, so before we really start talking with Leroy, I want to remind everyone that we are getting ready for Atlanta 2020. That's going to be happening February 16th and 17th. In Atlanta, I'm encouraging you to at least get your hotel rooms now before they're all booked out. And also in the next couple of weeks, consider getting your flight as well before the prices go up. So we know how those things are. The second thing is, and Leroy, I'd love to have this conversation with you as well as you introduce yourself. So within Black Blockchain Consultants, we focus on four things. Number one are blockchain jobs that are available, just introducing people to that. Number two are blockchain-based businesses that we can start, because I'm a big proponent of entrepreneurship and ownership. Number three is investing in the blockchain, whether you're investing your money or your time into a project. And then number four is generational wealth. So this is estimated to be a $3.1 trillion industry. And we, of course, want to get our piece of that pie. Not necessarily saying that everyone's going to be a full-time entrepreneur. You could stay with your Fortune 500 company and do something on the side, you know, whatever you choose to do. But I had a very interesting conversation, Talisha, with a new member of BBC, and he reminded me of some things that I was saying in the early part of 2019 that I kind of stopped saying, and now I realize, okay, maybe I need to once a month reiterate certain things. The first is he asked me the question of, you know, where do I start with this whole blockchain thing? And I said, well, you can choose the job route or you can choose the entrepreneurial route. And one of the things that I think of is choosing one of three things. Choose either an industry that you want to participate in. Number two is choosing a use case and becoming really, really great at understanding that use case. So like Eric Spence is the titan of tokenization, as we know. Or the number three is choosing a platform like Hyperledger Fabric or something like that that you really want to become involved with and going deep with that platform. And then the second question that the person asked me was, you know, well, he mentioned cryptocurrency and investing in crypto. And I wanted to reiterate that you can invest in crypto and that's perfectly fine. In fact, I saw an article today forecasting that Bitcoin is going up to $20,000 in 2020. I don't even know.
Oh,
However, I
definitely.
want to make sure that people understand this. If you invest in the crypto of the platform and that company is sold to Facebook, Microsoft, Google, you will not get a piece of the $1 billion that Facebook purchases that company for. It's always been my opinion that a lot of these blockchain platforms are going to be sold to these large multinational companies. The way that you can actually get a piece of that pie is to be a part owner in the stock of those organizations, of those companies, of those platforms, and not just the crypto holders. So we've got a lot of new people here, and I wanted to make sure that I talked about those two things, and I'm going to try my best every month to have a time where I kind of reintroduce that.